Welcome to Borrowed Histories by Five Senses Ikebana. My name is Nicoletta and I'm a Sogetsu Ikebana artist based in Tokyo. In this series, for each Ikebana creation, I will use borrowed vases that hold a special place in someone's heart. From antique and vintage to modern and contemporary, there is something for everyone in my videos. If you are passionate about Ikebana, or if you wish to learn exciting new ways to decorate your space with flowers, click subscribe and join me on our journey. Now on with the video.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Borrowed Histories. My name is Nicoletta. 皆さんこんにちは。華道家のニコレタです。今日もよろしくお願いいたします。For today's episode, I will use a beautiful pottery vase that came to me all the way from Saga Prefecture, Saga-ken. The master potter who created this vase is called Masashi Oguchi-san. He is a master potter that developed his craft within his family. He trained under his father, also a master potter. And they have a long family tradition of more than 20 years. Mr. Oguchi redeveloped his craft and his artistic vision, and he polished his craft in recent years, and he created a style that's nice and unique, and it extends from beautiful handcrafted and painted tableware to decoration items and vases like this. I would like to emphasize the beauty and the elegance of these simple lines today. So the materials I selected are, first of all, some beautiful plum tree branches. They just started blooming, and I will also use some other elements that I think will be able to showcase the slickness of this design. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to use this beautiful single branch. As you can see, the flowers just started blooming and they are gorgeous. I will cut the branch underwater. I have a kenzan inside. Which will help me fix the materials. There's also water in the container, but not quite up to the top yet. I will top it up later. Also, I would like to use this beautiful iris. Again, they are in their prime right now. Just started blooming. I will cut underwater and clean a little bit. Sometimes they tend to have a little bit of soil that can get stuck in between the leaves. I like to clean that. They are so beautiful. It's very difficult to pick them, to select one fun. As I was saying, I will clean a little bit. And to finish off the arrangement, I would like to use spider lilies. We'll use some smaller ones as well. My hope is that they will keep on blooming. Just add one more. And the last touch. I will add some eucalyptus leaves. Just to bring out the pretty whiteness of the spider lilies. This is just as a tiny little element that I would like to intersperse with the white. This is just to bring out the whiteness of the lilies. I'd like to make sure I have no leaves in the water. And I will top it up with water. And we'll add even a little bit more when I'm ready to take a picture. So this is today's arrangement in a beautiful pottery vase by Master Obushi. If you have any comments, if you like to connect or contact Mr. Obushi, Please visit the links I leave for you in the description. Do not hesitate to contact us, get in touch, leave your comments, share your love and connect. Take care. Hope to see you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you are looking forward to seeing more arrangements, subscribe and follow the Five Senses social media accounts. Until next time, bye!